Kamustamos Eco Warriors? Nandito naman ang bunso ng bayan, Rico the Great.
Aragoy,
Please comment, like, share, and follow for more. Bahalag pobre, manginabuhi lantag, di kalibre. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's make huli-huli the native manok. Then make katay-katay and make hiwa-hiwa and make kumus-kumus from Mars na asin to make it clean. Then let's put sabaw-sabaw isang drum na water from Maria Cristina Falls.
Aragoy,
Ilaga
tiyoy.
natin ng isang buwan at habang we make hintay-hintay na maluto-luto the tinolang manok, talakayin natin ang importance of sustainable living. Ako bilang isang committed sa sustainability will make bawas-bawas my carbon footprint. When we focus on sustainable options, the entire mundo ay makikinabang and we all get to live in clean and more healthy living conditions. Why do we need to promote sustainable living? Our mundo can only produce may hangganan na supply from food to water and can only withstand a certain degree of greenhouse gas emissions in order to stay malusog. Kaya always remember, we only have one mundo na kung saan tayo ay dependent on it para sa ating survival and well-being. That's it for now. See you in our next video. Ikaw, anong contribution mo to protect Mother Earth? By the way, thanks for watching and your support. This is not for me. This is not all about me. This is for green advocacy. Tara, kaunta. Lime, kayo. Ingat-ingat, halong-halong.